La da 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 go. La da 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 do. Little bell on her collar, bow tied just right. Whiskers twitch at the basket, all pastel and white. She patrols every ribbon like a tiny queen, guarding jelly beans and carrots, keeping plastic grass clean. This is Willow's Easter Purrful presentation. Tail held high for the whole celebration, strutting through the room like a soft sensation. Hear the purr, feel the joy, it's a fuzzy declaration. Willow's Easter Purrful presentation. She inspects every bonnet, sniffs each crooked ear, leaves a single silver whisker on the tablecloth here. Poses by the window, sunlight in her fur. Family grabs their cameras, she just blinks and purrs and mirrors. This is Willow's Easter Purrful presentation. Tail held high for the whole celebration, strutting through the room like a soft sensation. Hear the purr, feel the joy, it's a fuzzy declaration. Willow's Easter Purrful presentation. In a circle, she sits in the middle, tiny pink nose like a holiday riddle. One soft meow and the chatter goes hush. Then she flicks her ear and the room laughs, flushed. This is Willow's Easter Purrful presentation. Tail held high for the whole celebration, strutting through the room like a soft sensation. Hear the purr, feel the joy in this cozy congregation.